Hey guys, welcome to Airplane. Today we are flying an ex-US Airways A321 from New York's LaGuardia to Charlotte Douglas International Airport. This plane has not been refitted with the new Oasis or Kodiak interior. It still has the old hated cabin that US Airways planes were fitted with during the merger. Today we are flying at the new Terminal B. Let's get to the airport. This terminal was designed like an international terminal with the shops and right after security. To get to the gate, we have to walk through a temporary hallway that's hot and stuffy. The hallway is in place until the bridge that takes you over the planes is completed. Behind this wall is where the check-in was for the old Terminal B. When we were done walking through the old hallways, we were met with the new terminal. This is replacing the old sea gates that American used for their shuttle flights. Here's our plane. November 980 Uniform Yankee, an Airbus A321-200 built in 2013 and was originally delivered to US Airways with the registration of November 570 Uniform Whiskey. It's time for a sea tour. There's a small tray table that slides back and forth. The medium-sized seat pocket contains a magazine, a safety card, and a sick bag. The legroom is good. The seat recline is good. And the seat is padded. Above the seat, there's a passenger control unit which contains individual reading lights and air gaspers. Let's get going and take off. American has a large selection of movies and TV shows that are updated every month. You can also read the news. Even without paying for Wi-Fi, you can still look at where you are on Apple Maps. The lavatory contains the standard amenities. Let's look at the safety card and magazine. Have you ever flown to Charlotte or flown with this interior? Write a comment to tell me your experience. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Charlotte, where the local time is approximately 8:20. We ask that you remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until we are safely parked at the gate.